running open. I think I'm done with the session. So any questions, team?
Hello, good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning.
Hi. Sir, at the time of execution of your program, you found some error, but you said that in the morning there was no error, but recently you got the error. So,
Uh,
why did it happen?
Sorry, I didn't hear your voice properly. Can you repeat again?
Sir,
Uh, Hello.
your program did not execute.
Okay, the program may not execute. Then
You got
I
some
think
error, sir.
I'm hearing you in parts. Maybe the team can confirm like all others are hearing like that, or it's me. Mm, can you come again, please, sir? Maybe for another, or you can post your question at chat window. Let me look. Have a look. Okay. So you want the demo on remix? Fine. Just a second. It's taking some bandwidth. See here. So what here you want me to do? Okay, now maybe like you might be asking to explain what is this. So smart contract is this structure. So if you want to kind of compile this, you can do this way. And there is an options to sync your particular smart contract to the Docker Swarm, or you can publish this as a contract. If you just publish it on Swarm, it go and publish it in Swarm, and it will return some metadata. Even it can Swarm is nothing but your local, or it's a remote particular pool of nodes. IPFS is nothing but an open source community where you can publish your contracts as well. So here as well you can publish. So it published its metadata. So if you go and see here, so you can see like these are my Swarm and these are my IPFS. So one Swarm you can see like your contract itself, and another Swarm it will be the metadata. So yeah, since I executed multiple programs, I am getting multiple Swarms. So one may be the which compiler. So it's executed in pairs. So this is the one I executed last. So my contract file is there, and associated compiler version and all other inputs and outputs will be displayed here. Similarly, the case for IPFS. So it have the contract and also what is the output and input and output. And for deployment as well, you can use this value to do deploy, or you can straight away publish to IPFS. So my initial way is 100. So since I use this account, since I done some transactions, my transaction has been, my ways has been reduced. And yeah, for some reasons, my transaction recorded is not happening for now. These are the transactions I done it in my, later a few hours ago. That's why I asked you to try out. I just sent you this link. Maybe I'll be sending some other files as well. You might be using you might have to use the proper version to start this one. Otherwise, it will throw some error like version is mismatching. That is why here we kind of introduced multiple versions tied up together. So if you are not sure like which version you want to use, you can say like it should be greater than or equal to and less than, so that your program compiles. Otherwise, it may throw some error. So I will send you some other samples as well. Additionally, post this session, I'll send this PPT along with some SOL files. You can try at your local and see like how the transactions are happening and how the ways are detected. how the gas values are consumed. Yeah, hope I think it got resolved. Your question.
Or if the gas
And
value is adjusted, then will it be automatically reloaded, or you have to do something new across?
yeah, see, once you completely exhaust your gas value, you should create. It's a very easy to create another new node instead of recharging it. So once the gas value completely exhaust, try out in another node. So in a practical world also, whenever you start with a node, you'll be initially purchasing some gas value. So post your gas completion, you want to again initiate another node as another node with a new number of gas cycles and gas values.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Yeah, and I think like thanks for your cooperation because like I have a meeting by 11. So if you have any further more questions, you can drop out to my mail ID. I'll just share my mail ID and my LinkedIn ID to you.